a young baby white. Got her up all night, wishing I was in the light. Yeah, I'm always on the mind. Yeah, she say I sound like a young baby white. A young baby white. Yeah, she say I sound like a young baby white. Got her up all night, wishing I was in the light. Yeah, I'm always on the mind. Yeah, she say I sound like a young baby white. A young baby white, baby white. A young baby white, baby white. Yeah, she say I sound like a young baby. So what's good, y'all? This your boy Kicking with Kang. I'm doing a little something different. I'm about to do a vlog. I'm actually on my way to a rap battle with my brother, Bro Buzz.
Yes, sir.
You know, it's his older brother, but I call him my brother too. He's the one that's actually battling. We're on our way to Columbia, right?
Yeah, Columbia, South Carolina.
We're on our way to Columbia. Get checked into the Airbnb. The battle is tomorrow, but give y'all a lot of good content this weekend. It's gonna be different than what y'all usually seeing. Usually seeing food with me, but just a different side of me. You know, those who tapped in, I hope y'all enjoy what y'all been seeing as far as food. There will be more food videos coming, I promise y'all. Just got my camera back working, so you'll see a lot of more content, but y'all just stay tuned. We about to go pick up the actual battle rapper. I'll holler at y'all when we get there. Alright, y'all, so we stopped and got some food. We stopped at this place called Boardwalk Billy's. My brother got buffalo chicken.
Right, that buffalo motherfucker, man.
Yeah. Down here in Charlotte, I got the jerk chicken with the macaroni, which they ain't give me no fork for, so I guess I'm gonna be eating it by hand. But we'll see what they're here for. So here's the food, a piece of soul.
How about we just come back out here, bro? It ain't gonna even be the same, macaroni. Bro. Like, you gotta think it's food, bro. I gotta drive almost 3 hours before I get home. Like, that shit ain't gonna be the same.
I got the sweet. Oh, that's sweet sour chicken. My bad. That's the good ams.
I ain't got no way to preserve the food.
Let you know. Do this sweet sour chicken here now. It's good.
Nigga, this is my type of Mac, nigga.
It's good. So, it's macaroni and cheese.
I need to learn how to make this vegan Mac.
I gotta add it to the menu. This food's so good, bro. Like, you know this ain't chicken,
But it tastes like it.
It tastes like chicken. You do damn hit me. My parents. Okay, we go. Nah, bro. Shit too damn good, bro. Y'all see that? That is not real chicken.
Hey, where you at? That don't even look like somewhere you usually be.
That is a chicken substitute, but it's good. Tastes like chicken.
You heard me? I said, where you at? That don't even look like somewhere you usually be.
Macaroni.
Well, all right, you could call me. The event starts early this time. Usually, you know how usually it starts at like 7.
Let me drop back.
It shit starts at 3 o'clock. So we gotta go get ready.
Yeah, man, we come with everything this year. More food, business growing, all that. But y'all stay tuned. Get some footage of the battle, and we'll probably grab some food later. Y'all stay tuned for that. But this vlog, it's been a short one. It's been my first one on this channel. So y'all just bear with me. Stay tuned. We're gonna bring y'all that action.
Myself.
Yo.
Nah, fuck all that. Just call me whack. I guarantee I can rap better than you. I'm known for carrying a blade in my jaw. I'm pretty sure I can eat pussy better than you. No, I can't say the same for you. Ruthless aggression, It's not the raw image of dude. And plus I'm Sheep Luke's rude. See, you look like the type that talk shit while dining with your chick like that's cool. Until I walk up, unzip, drop my dick in her food. Go! Speaking of plates, what the fuck is this? Y'all call whipping soda a shot. Like I don't be cooking off the flick of the wrist. And you, standing in front of me, defined your name. They gassed you up to raise the stakes and roll the dice. We all know life a gamble. But Dejan got you out here taking a risk. Raise your hand and smack a man, I'll raise a blade. Take a risk. Short or long sleeve, I keep an arm up on the competition, and I'm with the shits. I don't care if you a bitch ass nigga or a nigga bitch, cause I'm indecisive. On the lotus palm or the iron fist. Tell you another concept choke or Bishop Crane kicking if the beam up. Only day ones know what the aim is, like Pablo. Like Pablo, dropping a pocket full of change. I step in the ring. Lose sense, but you'll leave senseless. You'll leave senseless for thinking they brought you back to the jungle for a dub. Gotta be one of those moody bitches, moody sisters. Type to tell your son you his mother and his father. A goofy missus until you got it. Do what studs do, fucking act like you feel it. Bitch, you better do what studs do. Fucking act like you feel it. Y'all think this is my first match versus? No, it isn't. Hey. Y'all think this is my first match versus? No, it isn't. All my ops, bitch ass niggas. And that's how we carry them, aquariums. I look at them as sea replicas. Fuck Team Eve. Your whole lineup losing. Tragic scene. First I'ma put you on CNN, then watch the hoes die like Larry King. Y'all know. Y'all know what us niggas bring. Trap shit and gunfire. But I ain't heard shit about what Team Eve on since Rough Riders. My God! Hey, he hard run up your father, you was bothered. Oh, I got the recipe. You said your daddy June put in work. That shit not impressing me. Made my name on my own. Niggas cannot question me. You Elvis Presley, living off your pop legacy. I told my dog for this one, I don't need the fellas. He said, cool, but these beams will help you. Roll on daddy's little girl, like Idris Elba. Who the fuck? Go! Team Adam. Hey, I told my dog, for this one, I don't need the fellas. He said, cool, but these beams will help you. Roll on daddy's little girl, like Idris Elba. Who the fuck gonna help her? If I smack her up, I want you to get mad as fuck. Crying, call daddy up. Bitches made, and I can't wait. June can't get here fast enough.
No, that shit work, bro. God damn.
June can't get here fast enough. Ratchet fuck, ain't nothing savage about you. Ratchet fuck, ain't nothing savage about you. You dying. Blame them hoes on your side for bragging about you. I just got a gun so heavy, we had the team lift it out the back of a Honda. Now I'm trying to figure out where three-headed, dragging a monster. You in trouble. What the fuck? Now I'm trying to, now I'm trying to figure out what three-headed, dragging a monster. You in trouble. The fuck you thought? You could just come to this bubble, make some quick bread off me? That's the wrong answer to the Scantron. You was led on C. I
My nigga, you look like you could sniff a beach clean. All the sand gone. Whole shit turned background like a green screen. Shit about to get scary in here. Look at your teeth. They're already showing long faces like a scream scene. But let's let them know, don't lose their minds, cause I take tops off and these bald heads are clean beans. Y'all really think he mean? I mean, okay, there's been a lot of battles that Piranha's been in. But what actual impact to the culture has Piranha given? Any main stage accolades? Nope. Go ahead and give me the names and I give you pay Piranha given. Go ahead, I'm listening. Okay, exactly. Y'all are tripping. Even the fucking league owner thought it was a joke when I said I ain't know him. He said, you don't know DG? He battled this one, that one, did a PG. I said, oh yeah. No, I don't see where you're going. He said, you don't know, he's Swamp Town. I said, oh, Swamp. Yeah, I know him. But as far as Swamp Town, I don't know them. And that's what got my mind going. Cause ain't piranhas supposed to be in the ocean, swimming, floating, and swamps are full of gut? So how the fuck are you the one stuck but we see swamp coasting? Let's go. Stop to that. That's the case. Why is he in my face? But I'm not even gonna blame you for that. That's the league's disgrace. Cause if he couldn't keep up beside a swamp, what makes y'all think C was safe? Okay. My nigga, you bound to drizzle. After this round swamping, I'm gonna kick you out the Tizam. It's like, damn, where DJ? We ain't see him around in the whiz out. It seems like after that bitch C3, yeah, I teach a stand-up nigga how to sit down. But let me guess, you thought this would be easy as ABCs, D? But nah, I ain't letting up. I'd rather fuck them letters up. Now the song gonna go A, B, D, G. I know it sounds a little messed up, but that's his fault. Soon as he thought he was taking C out, he effed up. So So whoever gave DC need to know this ain't no comic scene today. And whoever gave DC must have been thinking DMV. Now there's two meanings, but either way, they must have known that my line's crazy or it's all facts that 3 state. The strap is always around. And I ain't talking about no fake D. C safe. And I guarantee once D see the kick, he'll skate. And after this, ain't nothing to amend, D. See, I'm just here to make sure your grave is laid. You watch Love and Hip Hop? You remind me of Mendices. Oh shit. Your lines used to be okay, but after years of bars, we slowly seeing them fade away. My nigga, you
say I sound like a young baby. Why ain't got her up all night, wishing I was in the light. Yeah, I'm always on the mind. Yeah, she say I sound like a young baby white. A young baby white. Yeah, she say I sound like a young baby white. Got her up all night, wishing I was in the light. Yeah, I'm always on the mind. Yeah, she say I sound like a young baby white.